Mastering the thesis statement, your essay's guiding light. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of essay writing, especially for standardized tests like the SAT and ACT, the thesis statement. By the end of this video, you'll understand why it's so important and how you can craft a strong one every time. A thesis statement is a single sentence in the introductory paragraph of your essay that clearly states the main idea or argument you're presenting to your readers. Think of it as the compass for your essay, guiding your reader through your arguments and points. A strong thesis can make a difference in the effectiveness of your essay. Here's why. 1. Guidance for readers. It provides a roadmap, so readers know what to expect. 2. Structure for the writer. It gives you a clear focus, ensuring your essay remains on track. 3. Sets the tone. It can engage your readers and pique their interest right from the start. Here are steps to help you create an impactful thesis statement. 1. Answer the prompt. Read the essay prompt carefully and make sure your thesis directly responds to it. 2. Be specific. Avoid vague words. Instead, be clear and concise about your main argument. 3. Take a stand. Your thesis should present a clear position or opinion on the topic. 4. Stay flexible. As you draft your essay, your thesis might evolve. That's okay. Refine it as you go. To illustrate, let's consider a sample prompt. Discuss the impact of social media on modern communication. A weak thesis might be, social media has changed the way we communicate. While this statement is true, it's broad and doesn't offer a clear standpoint. A stronger thesis could be, social media, while enhancing global connectivity, has also led to a decline in personal face-to-face interactions, altering the very essence of human communication. This thesis is specific, takes a clear position, and gives readers a roadmap of what the essay will discuss. Mastering the thesis statement can set the tone for a compelling essay. Remember, it's your guiding light, leading both you and your reader through your essay's journey. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your skills, and soon, crafting powerful thesis statements will become second nature. Happy writing!